Hi, I'm Marc Sievers, and welcome to my Paris adventure. So back in the US, Fromage Blanc, which is a beautiful, soft, creamy cow's milk cheese, kind of a little sour, used to only be available in very high-end specialty food stores. And now it's available in most grocery stores in the US. You can even order it online, and it's one of my favorite things to eat, of course, when I'm in Paris as well, because it is everywhere. So I have some Fromage Blanc, and I'm gonna show you how to make just a really quick, simple, assembled dessert platter using everything store-bought from your local grocery store. So here, I'm gonna put in about 8 ounces of Fromage Blanc into just a small bowl. This is gonna be absolutely delicious with all of the extra little accoutrements that I have for us. So that's Fromage Blanc. I'm gonna put in a little honey because it does need some sweetness. And I'm gonna put in about 3 tablespoons of really good clover honey and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of French fleur de sel. And I'm just gonna give this a little whisk. And that honey is gonna add some sweetness, but it's also going to add really delicious flavor to this. And before I add anything else, I'm gonna taste it. That's delicious. So then to that, I'm gonna add about 2 ounces of roughly chopped 72% cacao dark chocolate. This is almost gonna give it real depth of flavor, and it's gonna add a little bit of that bitterness back in, but in a completely different way. Oh my God, this is so delicious. I've eaten this probably 100 times in my life. It's one of my favorite things to make really quickly. And every time I make it, I get a little excited. So, all right, so that's what we have going on here. And then, obviously I have a beautiful platter, and I have these beautiful butter cookies. They're called Sables. And at home in the US, I would say the equivalent of them is like a butter shortbread cookie, or you know those iconic cookies in the blue tin? I still love them. That's what I think is that closest, that real pure butter cookie is what we're looking for. Then I have some beautiful fresh berries. So these I'm just gonna strewn around right on the platter. One went in, it's okay. See, my instinct is to eat them right away. And then just to add a little bit of green, some fresh mint. You can add mint, you could add some thyme, just a little something green just to give it a little oomph. I think we'll add one more. So could that get any faster? What I also love about this Fromage Blanc is once you taste it, you'll discover all kinds of other things you can add to it. So maybe in the fall, I'll add some vanilla and some cinnamon and make it a little warm. I love in the summertime, you can even add fresh herbs to it, so it's like a dip. It's one of the most versatile French cheeses I think you can find in your local grocery store. So I hope you give it a try. Please head over to marcsievers.com for more French inspiredness. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that's all for today. Au revoir.